Hi everybody, this is Lance, the option teacher. This video I'm going to go over the SRX levels for April 21st, 2026. We got quite a few good trades today as well, and I'm going to show a little bit about what I want the market. First trade, 8:53 Central, only 3 minutes after the alerts come out. I entered at 1.78 on an SPY call, closed at 1.91. And if you go to the market here, so you had an EMA up candle, entered in 3 minutes into it. So now when the candle closed a little before it, and then you see though we got a little wick up, and then I took a quick profit off it. Pretty straightforward trade. Number two, 1.18 to 1.25, took the SPY puts, 935. So 935, we saw EMAs. If I would have held longer, it would have been a really good trade. From like 109, around 110, 110 even, down to 106, 706. However, we did get this wick up, and then I had to teach. So it was still a good trade, but could have easily made more. If you got in on this and the end of this candle at the 940, could have got from 709.90 down to 706. That's a huge gain. On the inner circle, the way that I manage this trade is I put an alert price and I say the value for members of the inner circle. And I put this in before the trade. Notice the alert at 710.42. Might have gotten a little early there. And then I got out the profit. And the third trade, that's the first. Third trade, a little bit later, 0.81 to 0.98. And 116 bought SPY puts. 116 bought SPY puts. The reason why I did that was we were below the ADMA at the time, and we were trending down throughout most of the day, as you can see. I just took a quick win there. Well, this is a textbook setup with... it's not coming up. The textbook setup was when we hit that EMA right here. EMA at 940, could have taken it all the way down to this level here, or close a few of the profits there. Also, in the description down below this video, we are offering a 7-day free trial for the SRX levels. You'll be able to see SPY, QQQ, and also IWM. You can see IWM here. The levels will pop up soon. The way that works is pretty straightforward. You just go on the 3 different levels here. You'll see each day there is a new numbers to copy. Then you just go into your SRX levels indicator and paste it. You can do that for SPY, QQ IWM. You could change the time frames. You could change the settings. There's a lot of robust settings with signal spacings, EMA lengths, previous day high, pre-market high, buy-sell signals. You could change the EMA thresholds. We go over a lot of that in the Discord that's also included. View out filters. And we have a lot of like-minded traders that are using this to make really good income. So if you're interested, click the link in the description down below for a free 7-day trial. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the descriptions down below. Hopefully this video is helpful. Click like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Helps out the channel. Appreciate all your support, and I'll see you guys on the next one.